respiration. So, physiology of respiration means how exactly do we breathe? Okay, coming to this topic, let me make a beautiful lungs. So you can, yeah, yeah. Anyone? Okay, so this is your beautiful lung. And this is your diaphragm, as you have already seen. Okay. Okay, if I want to make things very more precise for you, so understand one thing, your lungs are made up of different type of when we study lungs in order for a surgery, so we study in lobes, like this is the segment. So we study in segments. So lobes are further divided into segment, which you will mostly when you see when you are working in a surgery. So when you are in OT, so they will talk like we are talking about this segment, this segment. So you don't have to, there might be a 10 segment and 11 segment over here. So we don't have to go in that depth. NCLEX is not going to ask. You just need to make sure that in your mind what your lungs are, how they are working. So this is the basic that you have to know before you appear for an exam. Okay. So this is your lung, and this lung is sitting on your diaphragm. Okay. अब होता क्या है कि are you are you are you telling your lungs continuously to take breath? You're studying with me, right? Everyone is learning with me. So are you reminding your lungs to take breath? Like कि सांस लो, नहीं रुको रुको सांस छोड़ो. सोते सोते सांस ही नहीं आ रहा है, कभी ऐसा हुआ है? But you need to, okay, if I want to grab this cup, so I will ask my brain, okay, just go and grab this mug for me. But you're not asking, you're not continuously telling your lungs to take breath. It is doing automatically. How this automatically happens?
Just the
Involuntary movement.
How?
It is
because
involuntary movement.
This is an involuntary movement, but there has to be one trigger that should be there. जो बार बार उसको बोल रहा है कि सांस लो सांस लो सांस लो सांस छोड़ो सांस लो सांस छोड़ो. कभी कभी हिचकी आने लग जाती है, कभी किसी को हिकअप्स हुए.
yeah,
क्यों हो रहा है? हिकअप्स क्यों होता है वैसे? डायफ्राम इधर उधर हो जाता है, डायफ्राम अनट्रिगर हो जाता है, जिसकी वजह से हमें हिकअप्स आते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग. सो सांस लेने की फिजियोलॉजी को समझने के लिए हमको फिजिक्स के एक रूल में जाना पड़ता है, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं बॉयल्स लॉ. सुना किसी ने?
yeah, we studied, yes, but
We have studied this law. Can anyone just define this law for me, if they still remember?
I don't remember now.
Yeah,
but
it's okay.
yeah, but
So I think you know that what Boyle's law is. Okay, so Boyle's law say that pressure is inversely proportionate to the volume. Just give me
Oh.
one second. So Boyle's law says that pressure is inversely proportionate to the volume. Pressure is inversely proportionate to the volume. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर आपका वॉल्यूम कम होगा तो प्रेशर क्या होगा? ज्यादा होगा. सिंपल सी बात है. अगर वॉल्यूम ज्यादा होगा तो प्रेशर कम होगा.
Ma'am, can you explain in English, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm doing the both thing. I'm saying if you increase your volume, then your pressure will decrease. If you increase your volume, your pressure will decrease. Okay, and how this rule apply? Understand one thing. Your lungs are anatomically, let me show you this good example. Can you see this lung? This lung is sitting, there is an arch in this lung. So in diaphragm, you see there's an arch. So your anatomical position of your diaphragm is like this.
Ma'am, the picture is very zoom.
Okay, let me show you more picture. Okay.
We can see the arm.
Yeah, but let me show you a better diagram. Yeah, good. Can you see this? The same exactly I've shown you on a cadaver, and this is the animated diagram, so more clear. So you don't need to get confused with so many organs. Because already there will be a liver, so difficult to differentiate. Okay, so you see there's an arch. There is an arch, and can you see this diaphragm is not like this piece of a rope. Okay, it is more like this. It is like more like a chhata. So it has a more surface area. Okay. The diaphragm is not like this. Okay, this is not a diaphragm. Diaphragm is big muscle. Your lungs are sitting on this. Okay, so the anatomical position of this diaphragm is in a curved shape. So why I want to tell you this? So if you see this is a curved arch. So when there is a curve, okay, you need to tell me यहाँ पे volume lungs का कम होगा कि ज्यादा होगा?
ज्यादा होगा.
Okay. If your diaphragm is like this and lungs placed हैं उसके ऊपर, तो volume कम होगा कि ज्यादा होगा?
Say it in English, ma'am.
Okay. If your lungs are sitting over your diaphragm and diaphragm is in curved position, so what will happen? Will there be increase in the volume of your lung or decrease in the volume of your lung?
Increase of volume of lungs. No, it is resting, so it will decrease. Yes, ma'am.
Decrease,
Volume
ma'am.
कम होगा
Dec-
क्योंकि वो diaphragm.
Okay, let me give you an analog. Let me give you an analog. So you have an area. So you have an area of 1 meter. So in 1 meter, there are 5 people living. Okay. In 1 meter, there are 5 people are living. So I reduce this area to the 0.5 meter and still there will be 5 people are living. You decrease the volume?
Decrease
Yes or
the
no?
volume.
You decrease the volume, just learn it like analog. So 1 meter, there was 5 people living. And now there are 0.5 meter and there are still 5 people are living. So you decrease the volume?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Will there will be increase in the pressure or not?
Yes.
Is this clear to you? And hence, if your lungs, your diaphragm in arch position, that means your diaphragm are relaxed. This is the relaxed position of your diaphragm. They will contract the lung. They will push the lungs up, and there will be a contraction. So there will be a decrease in the volume. So when there is a decrease in the volume, let me write it again. So when your diaphragms are relaxed, so there will be a decrease in the volume. So there will be increase in the pressure. So now your lungs will have more pressure as compared to the atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure will be more as compared to your pressure into your lung. So air move from high pressure to low pressure. This is called diffusion. This is what you know. So air from your lungs will expel out. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? And similarly, when your diaphragm will contract. So when your diaphragm is contracting, let me make a good example image. Okay, so this is your lung. So when your diaphragm's contracting, your lungs are sitting over here. Okay. So now now you will tell me, is there increase in volume or decrease in the volume?
Increase in volume.
Volume.
Yes.
Now there will be an increase in volume. Your lungs will expand. So when your lungs will expand, so there will be decrease in the pressure. So there is a low pressure. So air from, let me make it in blue color. So air will move into your lungs. Understood? Understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just make this thing into your notebook as I'm just teaching you? Will it be convenient for you? Just be quick, okay? You have to learn, so your hand should be working. They should be not in a relaxed position. Okay.
If lung is expand, then volume will be increased and pressure will be decreased.
So if your diaphragm is relaxed, there will be decrease in a volume, and when there will be decrease in a volume, there will be increase in a pressure. Hence, we will expel air out, and this is called an expiration. And when your lungs are contracted, so there will be an increase in a volume, hence decrease in a pressure. So air from outside will enter my lungs. Can you just write it down? And this is called inspiration, expiration, and inspiration. 3 things we have studied till now: Boyle's law, inspiration, expiration, and what? Diffusion.
Yes, ma'am.
Features once again.
Okay, I'm saying if you relax your diaphragm, your volume will decrease, hence your pressure will increase, and so air will move from inside of your lungs to outside, and this is called as expiration. If you relax your diaphragm, so your volume will increase, hence pressure will decrease, hence air will move from outside into your lungs. This is called inspiration. This is called inspiration. This is called expiration.